Jonah, you are so broke.
I got more money than you though.
I mean in Robux Dumbo. I bet you can't buy a mythic lucky block like me. See? Let me see you buy something then brokey. There is nothing here. What? How can you afford this?
That's easy. I use CustomUse to make Roblox clothes and UGC items with AI. Just type what you want the AI to make, then you publish it to Roblox and earn Robux. Use code Jonah on CustomUse to get 100 credits when you start a 3-day free trial.
Fine, let's see you open them. I'm downloading CustomUse right now.